we would practice tenses today. We've learned tenses, but let's look at the application side of it. So the first sentence that we have today is he dash every day from 7 a.m. to 2 p.m. And the verb to be used is study. Now, what form of study would we use here? So, the sentence is in simple present tense, the tense that we use for regular activities and habits. And simple present tense tells us that the verb should be used in the simple form. Okay? Only when your subject is he, she, or it, that is third person singular, your verb should take an S or ES to it. So here the subject is he, and so the verb should be studies and not study. Moving on to the second sentence, she dash when I called her yesterday. And the verb is sleep. What form of sleep would be used? Was sleeping. Now this sentence includes an action which was going on in the past and an action which was clubbed with it. Okay, so she was sleeping. So the action that was going on was her sleeping. So she was sleeping when I called her. Moving on to the third one. I dash to this place before. And the verb to be used is be. I have been to this place before. Have been indicates a completed action. So perfect tense. So this tells us that I have been to this place before, meaning the action of coming to this place has happened in the past, has completed in the past. Moving on to the fourth sentence. He dash to the office before we reached. Verb to be used is leave. The answer here would be had left. Now understand the explanation, please. Had left is called as the past perfect tense. It is when there are two actions in a particular sentence. Then to show the series or to show the sequence of actions, which action is happening first and which is happening after that, that is where past perfect tense is used. Okay? The action which is happening earlier, we use past perfect tense for it. So he had left. And the action which happens after that, we use simple past for it. Before we reached. So reached is simple past. See you soon. Stay tuned.